Spacious living area which is well designed, provided, and it's a modular kitchen and a lot of master bedroom, very spacious and very. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Apple Aroma by the builder Birla Homes, which is located in JP Nagar Phase 9 for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best price possible. Unlike other current listing platforms where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The entire project is built on a land parcel of 2 acres with 2 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 14 floors, and the available variants are 2.5 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. From here, Puttanalli metro station is just 3 kilometers and Koramangala is 6 kilometers. Kanakapura main road is very close by, and also we have hospital, schools just 5 and 10 minutes away from this project. And we have many other amazing connectivities very close by from this project. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project has amazing amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, lavish swimming pool and many more. Right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called Apple Aromas by the builder Birla Homes, which is located in JP Nagar Phase 9. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, you can see this spacious passage, and over here you have storage spaces for your slippers and shoes. As you come forward, you can see the spacious living area which is well designed. So you can see the sofa set over here, and right opposite we have the television unit as well as some storage spaces for your decorative items. And now it's time to check the balcony. So this is the balcony in this 3 BHK flat, which is super spacious. So you can customize it the way you want, and you can spend your leisure time over here in the evening having a coffee or tea. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this way is the dining area, which is very spacious, wherein 4 members can sit, and you have storage spaces over here. Yes, and it's very spacious. Now it's time to check the common bathroom. So this is the common bathroom in this 3 BHK flat with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, and yes, windows for ventilation. And now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. You can see a very broad passage has been provided, and it's a modular kitchen and a lot of storage spaces and stainless steel basin. And over here you have the utility area where you can put your washing machine, refrigerator as well. Over here there's another wash basin and window for ventilation. Yes, it's super big. And now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So yes, this is the first bedroom, which is very spacious and well designed. So there's a bed and enough space on both the side of the bed. So yes, this could be a study area as well, that one on the other side. And over here you have shelves for storage purpose and a very big wardrobe. Yes, this is the wardrobe, and this is your dressing area. And again, this dressing area comes with a mirror and a storage space. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation, which is super big. And now it's time to check the second bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So this is the second bed, very well decorated and very much spacious on both the sides of the bed, and big windows for ventilation. Yes, very huge window. And this is your wardrobe as well as the dressing area, and here you have the television unit. Yes, very well decorated. Now it's time to check the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat called Apple Aromas by the builders Birla Homes, which is located in JP Nagar Phase 9. But before that, let's understand what is Housey and what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as EMI and down payments, and most importantly 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, very spacious and very well designed, and a lot of space on both the sides of the bed. Yes, this is your dressing area with a huge mirror, and on the other side you can see the study area, again very spacious. And this is the window, very big windows for ventilation. You can see the wardrobe area, and this would be your television unit area. Yes, this master bedroom is super spacious. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipments, window for ventilation. Yes, super big and spacious, and you have storage spaces as well over here. Yes, so a lot of storage spaces has been provided, so this is really best. Yes, this was all about the 3 BHK sample flat tour called Apple Aromas by Birla Homes, which is located in JP Nagar Phase 9. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the videos that we post or about the builders or about the project, you can mention it in the comment section below, and any feedback is welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Auzie to know about such amazing videos. See you in the next video. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Apple Aroma located in JP Nagar by Birla Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Auzie.